Here's how you can get your hands on a free recruitment platform which contains 3 different drag and drop pipelines that are going to be able to help you to grow your business as either a startup recruitment founder or an owner of a small recruitment agency. Now, this platform contains 3 different drag and drop pipelines. The first one is a candidate pipeline that you can utilize to track candidates before you're sending them to a job. It contains an interview pipeline, which allows you to track the candidate's progress after you've sent them to your client, through from initially chasing the feedback all the way through to confirming the hire. And then the third one is the CRM pipeline, which allows you to track all the companies that you're prospecting. Because when you are a startup recruitment agency owner, one of the most important things is winning that initial client to get those first roles through the door. And this pipeline allows you to track all the different companies that you're prospecting and again, drag them from initially expressed interest all the way through to terms signed. Now, this is a free forever system that you can use that has no trial period and needs no credit card sign up. And I'm now going to show you a quick demo so you can see exactly how it works.
Okay, so to give you a quick whistle-stop tour of the 3 different pipelines that you can utilize inside the platform. The first one I mentioned was the candidates pipeline. So if you come down here, this is a list of all the candidates that you are headhunting before you send them to your clients. And to change the candidate status, you simply just drag them along the pipeline and they're going to move, or you can open the candidate card and you can come down to the pipeline status and you can change the status from there and it will automatically update here. When you're ready to send a candidate to a job, you simply drag them into the send to job column at the end. You choose which job it is that you want to send them to, and then you start to go through the process of submitting them to that role. Once you've done that, they conveniently then fall into the interviews pipeline. So they will sit in here where you can then track them from sent to client all the way through to hired. And this pipeline works in exactly the same way. You just drag a candidate into the column and it allows you to book in the interview days and times and send emails, automated emails to the contacts as well. This pipeline works all the way through until the hired stage. So you can drop them in the hired stage where you can select the start date, final salary, and deal value. So you can keep on track of all of that. And then the final pipeline is the companies pipeline. And this is just to help you track the companies that you are working on that you want to bring on as clients. So here you can track them from expressed interest through to terms agreed. And again, like with the candidate pipeline, you can change the status here inside the company card, or simply just drag them along the process until you get them to terms agreed, where you can actually keep a note of what the final terms are. So if you open the company card, you can have either a fixed fee or a percentage where you can update and just keep track of the finalized terms that have been agreed with your clients.